Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for August 2014. Aquarians, we begin this month with a beautiful transit. We have three planets. We have Sun, Mercury and Jupiter, and they're highlighting a part of your chart that has to do with partnerships. It's a great time which is conducive to partnering or winning public approval. You're going to be finding much joy, especially through your partner, with someone with whom you share your life. It can be in your marriage, or it can also be someone with whom you're deeply committed and you're involved. It also may be that you will learn new facets about yourself through this person as well. You will be not just understanding yourself better, but there could be maybe even places or areas to improve yourself of yourself as well, or maybe things that you are not really aware about yourself. There is going to be a lot of focus on common interests, on common hobbies, on families, in-laws, children, creative endeavors, a lot of expansion over there as well. So you could be spending a lot of time at home, spending time with your children, being extremely creative as far as your work is concerned, and also sometimes a partner who's from an absolutely different cultural background, you could also encounter him or her. In some cases, a relationship will absolve of itself, and if it does so, it will be a blessing in disguise. You don't need to sort of cry over it. It could be something that has been in the pipeline, so to speak, for the longest of time. Meeting someone better for you is maybe better, or it is anticipated. For those of you who are also not aggressively seeking out and feel that I'm fine the way that I am, but it's really a conducive time. It's a great time to be meeting up with new people, especially as far as romance is concerned, and even partnerships are concerned. Financial benefits can come through this partnership. You could find yourself taking over the role of an advisor or a consultant as far as your work is concerned, or even as far as your close friendships are concerned. You may feel that you need to be you need to be out there more in public, and your work is going to get shared across. You will find yourself somewhat in the public eye, and that's a nice. Mid-month we have Venus that is conjuncting Jupiter, and it speaks about a time where flattery will get you everywhere, Aquarians. You are going to be giving, and you are going to be feeling quite flattered, and this especially has to do with your closest partnerships, or even at work. You could be feeling quite flattered that, oh, what a great value, and all with good reason. It is also a great time to be smoothing out old personal issues that you may be having in your closest relationships. It's a good time, Aquarians, to be reaching out and mending the fences. So if you have some broken, whether it is communication with your partner, or it's a broken friendship, it's a good time to be reaching out and repairing that. It's also a time where, for those of you who are single, will enter into a committed relationship. In general, you're going to be quite affable as far as affections are concerned, and you're not going to be sort of going to stay very rigid about it. You're quite willing to compromise. You're quite willing to listen to the other person and be the peace. End of the month we have Mars, which is conjuncting with Saturn, and this is happening in Scorpio, and this has to do with your work. It focuses on your ambitions, and it focuses on your desire to get noticed. You, whether it is professional or personal, you would be seeking that recognition as well. I think there is try not to sort of be aggressive in your quest or the desire to get noticed, Aquarians. It's while for entrepreneurs it's a great time wherein that you are going in making presentations and making yourself more visible. But for those of you who are in a regular jobs, it's not a great time to be stepping on toes and being too aggressive or being too visibly ambitious. It would just look a bit tacky. So try and sort of curb your ambitions or the need to get noticed this month. Conflicts with authority are also possible. Mars being there, you could be a little sharp as far as your speech is concerned, so be a little careful and When I'm saying authority, it may have to do with your parents as well. So try not to get into power struggles. Try not to say things which are harsh and something that you may regret later on. Try while you will be focusing on pouring your energy into self promotion and your ambitions. Try and put this energy into finishing up the pending work that you may have had for the last few months, since Mars is there and it's going to pretty much motivate you, re-energize you and get you on your feet and make you do things which could have been pending for the longest. So, great month, Aquarians. Make full use of the beautiful transit beginning of the month, wherein it's a time to be smoothing ruffled feathers as far as your closest relationships are concerned, and the wrap up of the month as far as your career is concerned. Try not to be too aggressive as far as your ambitions are concerned. Have a great month. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll speak with you again next month. Thank you so much for watching.